What's going on, everybody? It's Simon Says Crypto, and I am back with part 3 of 4 trading indicators for cryptos. On today's episode, I'll be talking about the indicator called RSI. So let's get into it so you can be on your way and in your day. This wonderful article, again, of course, is from Investopedia.com. It's written by Jason Fernando and reviewed by Charles Potter. By the way, well done, fellas. All right, RSI, Relative Strength Index. What is the Relative Strength Index? Strength Index. RSI. The Relative Strength Index is a momentum indicator, right? So momentum. Up, oh, down momentum, up momentum, momentum. Used in a technical analysis that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of a stock or other assets. In our case, it's cryptos, baby. The RSI is displayed as an oscillator, a line on the graph that moves between two extremes, and can have a reading from 0 to 100, and I'm going to add something else here, percent. Just helps with when you start kind of trading, working in percentages works. It kind of does you a favor there, just for your mental, as opposed to 0 and 100. If you say it's 0% or 100%, then it'll just help you out. At least it helps me out. So, all right. The indicator was originally developed by J. Wells Wilder Jr., and he introduced it in his 1978 book called New Concepts in Technical Trading Systems. Traditional interpretations and usage of RSI are the values of 70 or above percent, 70% or above, indicate that a security is becoming overbought or overvalued and may be primed or getting close to for a trend reversal or correction / pullback in price. As an RSI reading of 30% or below indicates an oversold or undervalued conditions. And that might indicate that things might be heading up. Here's a nice video that is on the same subject. I encourage you guys to give that a watch. It's just a quick little, less than 2 minutes of your life. Here is the formula of how it's calculated. I'm not going to go over this. It's okay. But again, give it a read. It'll help you kind of get a little bit more bigger picture. Okay. So I did want to talk about this though. The RSI will rise as the number and size of positive closes increase. What they're saying there is that the number of positive, so buys versus sells, right? If there's more buys than sells, then we're going up. Would you agree? And it will fall as the number and size of losses increase or sells. The second part of the calculation smooths the result. So the RSI will only near 100% or 0% in a strongly trending market. Holy crap, I forgot how to talk. So that's very good information. Let's see here. There was one more thing I thought. No, there isn't one more thing that I initially wanted to go over. Again, you guys should really give this a look-see. So let's just go find out where this RSI is at tradingview.com. I decided to choose Shiba Inu as our coin today that will be helping us do RSI. Remember up here, top left corner, here's our pair, Shiba Inu paired with USDT or Tether. we'll talk about Tether another day maybe. 15-minute view, and there's indicator button, so we're going to click on that. Now, there are more than one versions of RSI. And the one that I'm familiar with, that's the one I'm going to share with you guys today. And we can do a deeper dive into the couple different of RSIs and why you may or may not want to use one in certain situations. Here we go. RSI. Typing that in the search bar. We're going to use the Stoch RSI. Now, here we are. We're looking. Oh, this is nice. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, so here's what we're going to talk about right here. So, if I'm going to leave my cursor right here. If you look at the far, that way. Well, I guess my big fat head's in the way, isn't it? If you look at the number there on the right side of your screen, you can see that I am pretty much at the bottom, and it looks like that's 13.9% left out of whatever's being traded. That's all there is left to, I don't know, kind of sell. It's not really like that, but this shows you, hey, we're really approaching, fast approaching this this bottom area, right? So, I mean, in the article they're talking about right about here at 30 or 30%, and there's more than likely going to be a reversal. And there could have been a little fake out here like, oh, no, just kidding, we're going to go down more. But what this does is an indicator. It's kind of like if you watch, like the weatherman in the morning, or you just listen to the radio for the weather report. This is kind of what that is. It just kind of gives you a warning, if you will, of like, hey, if you were going to do something right now, if you wanted to buy, this might be a good time to buy because we're about to see an uptrend. Now, how big the uptrend is, we don't know. We're not going to know that, right? But this is how you can use this. This is going to be a good important tool if you're watching price, right? If you've been watching the price of a certain coin and you're waiting to get in, and you're using your RSI here, you're like, oh, it's going, yeah, this is kind of going down. You know what? I think we're going to go up here. Everything, oh, we went up here. You know, we had a nice uptrend up here on our candlesticks. There's a little sold, and you can watch this. You can go every candlestick, bam, bam, and you can see, we're turning positive. Here comes the fake out, right? Fake out, nope, we're going back down. And this was your bottom here. Could have bought, and here comes the uptrend, right? But the indicator is just saying, hey, you semi-professional trader, why don't you get ready to buy some coins? So that's what the RSI kind of shows you. And why I like this one is, honestly, I'm used to seeing things cross. Like we looked at the come on, EMA, exponential moving averages, right? We looked at that, right? And we saw things cross, right? There was the 20-day, the 50-day, the 100-day, and the 200-day, right? And when that 20-day starts to really turn, because it's very active, right? When that starts to turn, it indicates that, hey, we're starting to go back up. But now you can confirm that with, stupid trading view. You can confirm that with your RSI indicator. So let's bring those both up just real quick. I'll do a quick showdown over here. And I do apologize for the length of this video. I'm just trying to get you guys to check this out. So I'm going to add one more indicator here. We want EMA. Bam. Oh, okay, it's not going to let me. Sorry, crazy kids. Apparently I have to log into the account. But that's all right. So there you have it. The RSI. It's just another indicator to use in some of your other with. Uh, oh, how do I want to say this? You want to use this indicator with other indicators. It helps. It can help really help you out. Kind of helps you confirm things. Like you got the MACD that we've talked about. We got the EMA that we've talked about as well. And having the RSI kind of just confirms those conditions. And when they're all kind of pointing down, guess what? It's probably going to go down. If they're all pointing up, hey, it's probably price is probably going to go up. How far? I mean, that's a whole nother conversation, and I don't have a magic 8 ball right now. So if anybody out there has an old one, you want to mail it to me, DM me or leave me a comment in the description box down below, and maybe we can hook that up. All right, that's all I got for you crazy kids. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to share this video, by all means, give me that double thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, families, co-workers, people at the bus stop. Like I always say, but I'm just trying to tell you, share this. It's good information. If you're brand new to the channel, go ahead, click the subscribe button, and make sure you hit that bell so you guys can get notified of all the latest and greatest content that I am trying to bring out to you. That's all I got for you crazy kids in crypto land. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, depending on when and where you are watching this. This is Simon Says Crypto, and it's your world, so rock it.